beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to achieve this look that I am wearing right now. It is a very natural, simple, pinky blushy look which you can wear with casual, with formal, and also on special occasions. Yes, so please watch this video till the end and I really hope that you will enjoy. First step, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of primer and moisturizer on my skin, which makes my skin very smooth for the application of foundation and concealer. I'm gonna start by applying concealer to the dark areas of my face which requires some light, like the lower eyes and the T-zone. I'm also gonna apply this high coverage foundation onto my entire face in very little amounts so that it gives my face that even look. I will be blending it finely into my skin. Now for the next step, I'm gonna contour my face using this contour stick. I'm gonna apply it onto the areas where I want a little bit of shadow, and this actually helps me shape my face the way I desire. I'm also gonna blend this really finely into my skin, because if you don't blend the contour properly, then it can actually make your face appear dark or shady, and I really don't think that you will ever want that. Next, I will be setting all the makeup that I have applied till now onto my face using my pressed powder. Now, I'm going to conceal the eyelids separately. I am adding this extra step in this look because I really want my eyes to be popping, bright and really catchy. I actually want my eyes to be the focus point of this look. Starting with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna start with deep pink for the crease which will be blended into the eyelid, and then for the inner eyelid I will be adding light pink which will again be used on the lower lash line, which will shape the eyes. Completing that, I'm gonna move on with the eyeliner and then adding the wing which shapes the eyeshadow. I'm going to complete the eye makeup with mascara for the lashes and filling the eyebrows. I'm going to bake the face and set the entire makeup into its place. I'm applying a very rosy blush onto my cheeks to enhance that doll-like appearance. I'm going to highlight my nose bridge, the upper lips and the cheekbones to add that glow. For the lips, I'm gonna start with a matte pink shade for the base layer, and then I'm gonna coat it with a creamy nude textured lipstick for the top layer. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, then like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and you may follow me on my Instagram at TheFitDix. The Instagram handle is given in the description. Love you, bye bye, and I hope to see you next time.